This is Balloony Jet F-16 ready for takeoff and gonna travel at a speed of light. Whoosh! Hello everyone, Mani Radiant here and I welcome you back. Oh my god guys, a fantastic episode of Team Rocket we have seen this. This was really amazingly handled, awesome moments, epic action, Alan and many things we have seen in this episode. So let's get started with Bonnie. Now Bonnie was singing a beautiful song because it was the last episode in which we see the Bonnie and Puni-chan ending song because it was replaced by Team Rocket ending. Now guys, Bonnie, we see at the start of this episode Ash his tummy is like large size, eaten and got fed up of eating and tired. We see a relaxing scene everywhere, Bonnie singing a song for Puni-chan. That was amazing. And straightforwardly we see that Team Rocket contacts their boss Giovanni, tell them about Puni-chan, Zygarde and Team Flare, and he orders them capture that Puni-chan. Now guys, let's talk in this episode about Blue Core. Now Puni-chan was worried what happened to Blue Core, like he was contacting Blue Core, where are you? And Blue Core was not answering him. He was being chased by a furious Drudigan and a Weavile on Team Flare, and we see that transition Team Rocket takes place and they are followed up by Momoji and Akabi as they were trying to protect Balloony-chan, and or you can say the Z-Core too. Now we see that Team Rocket was very much happy that they got a Balloony core, a new Zygarde core, and they were ready for taking them to their boss Giovanni. We see many hilarious moments in Team Rockets in this episode. Now we see an intense battle between Momoji, Akabi, James and Jesse. Wow, a great battle we see. And then I wanna mention that the Blue Core was being captured. Now Team Rockets escapes from that scene after the battle ends, and they went to a rocky island where the scenery is very beautiful. I really love the rocky scenery, brown rocky scenic moments there. It was very beautiful animated episode. And then we see that Blue Core is being attacked ferociously by Team Flare, like that furious dragon rush of Drudigan and claws of Weavile. They were speeding that poor Blue Core very harshly, and then Blue Core mustered up and said, I have enough of this, and wow, he becomes the Balloony Jet F-16. Oh wow, what a fast travel he was making in his dog form, and we was blowing away Team Flare along with the admins. Oh wow, that was really awesome. And then we see that at the moment Balloony-chan again transforms into 50% Zygarde form and unleashes its full power, and meantime Zero-Sick and Lysander appear. They were worried that how will they capture this, and immediately I think Zero-Sick contacts Alan, and Alan arrives at the situation and handles the situation very nicely. He straight away mega evolves Charizard and have a very intense battle with Zygarde, but it turns out that Team Flare launches their lasery red guns and taking the Blue Core down. And the Blue Core, I think this is the first time Blue Core Zygarde form has been defeated by Team Flare, and they successfully captured the Blue Core in a box. Now I'm thinking that why this Blue Core has been captured, is it related to that island that was being experimented in the episode of Ash vs Alan, episode number 13, that island on which they shoot out and the trees were grown bigger. Now it has to be some kind of connection. We will see it about in the later down the road. Now guys, this was a very beautiful episode, very nice, and we see poor Puni-chan being very worried about his poor Blue Core friend, And now we come to the main ending of this episode. We got the Team Rocket ending. Wow, amazingly 10 out of 10. Very beautiful song. It is like a marching song. Soldiers, Musashi, Kojiro, Niart, and this was a very nice song. I loved it. There were very beautiful scenes in it. I hope you all guys liked it. Tell me your opinions regarding what you think of the episode so far. What do you think about the new ending of Team Rocket? I will surely answer to all your questions in the description down below. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. A subscribe is really appreciated for me, guys. I would be really honored, and I see you again guys in my other reviews. Till then, stay hype, stay well.